Hello friends, my name is Abhishek and I welcome you to the YouTube channel of Prabhat Exam, your one-stop destination for competitive exams preparations. Friends, IAS is the most coveted job profile in this country. Every youngster in his or her life aspire for this dream job. And if you are also an aspirant, then you have come at the right place. In this video, we will guide you through the entire process of becoming an IAS officer. So stay tuned with us till the end. IAS exam syllabus is same as of any other exam such as IPS, IRS because these are all conducted by the same governing body, that is UPSC, under the same examination, that is UPSC Civil Services Examination. However, the syllabus varies at different stages of the examination. For example, at the stage of prelims, the syllabus would be different from what it is at the stage of mains. So let us start with the detailed analysis of all the three stages of examinations. As we know, the UPSC exam is conducted in three stages: prelims, mains and interview. So prelims exam is conducted in two stages. The first is GS and the second is CSAT paper. The GS paper is conducted from 9:30 to 11:30 am generally. As you can see, it is of 2 hours. The exam consists of 100 questions and every question is of 2 marks. So the total marks of the exam is 200. There is a negative mark for every wrong answer that you give, and the negative mark is 1/3 of the right answer. So this basically comes out to be 0.66 marks per question. The cutoff of the prelims is decided on the basis of the marks in the GS paper. The syllabus of GS paper is consisting of different subjects such as polity, history, geography and current affairs related to all these subjects also. Friends, getting through GS paper is just half the battle done because your selections are also based upon the second paper, that is CSAT paper. It is generally conducted from 2:30 pm to 4:30 pm, and as you can also see that it is also of 2 hours. It is also of 200 marks, but it consists of 80 questions only. As in the case of GS paper, here also negative marks are deducted, and similarly 1/3 marks, it consists of questions based on reasoning ability, analytical ability, reading comprehensions and decision making. Friends, remember that you only have to score 33% marks in this paper for your GS paper to be checked. If you are not able to score 33% marks in this paper, your GS paper will not be checked. And friends, remember that the marks obtained in the CSAT paper will not go in the marks calculated for your cutoff, which means that your marks for the cutoff will only be decided on the basis of the marks scored in the GS paper. Friends, after clearing prelims comes the stage of mains. The syllabus of mains is much more descriptive and much more elaborate in comparison to prelims. We will discuss the syllabus of the mains in the next video. Till then, stay tuned and don't forget to share and like the video and also subscribe our channel. Thank you.